Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up Airtable scripts, bases, and docs for continuity. Complete guide step by step clearly.
Begin by opening your Airtable account.
Navigate to your workspace that contains the scripts, bases, and documents you wish to back up.
To back up a base, locate the base you want to save. Hover over the base and click the drop-down arrow that appears. Select Download Base as CSV to export your tables. Save the CSV files in a designated backup folder on your device. Next, to back up your scripts, open the scripting app within the base. Copy the code snippets from the scripting window. Paste the code into a text editor and save the file with a meaningful name. This ensures you have a record of your scripts for future reference. For documentation, navigate to the Docs tab if you are using Airtable's interface. Select every document you wish to back up. Copy the content of each document into your text editor. Save each document with an appropriate title. Now, consolidate all backup files into a single backup folder for easier access. Make sure to label your backup folder with the date for better organization. Consider using cloud storage services to create an additional layer of backup. Upload the folder to your preferred cloud service for accessibility. Finally, regularly repeat this process to ensure all new changes and updates are backed up. By following these steps, you'll maintain continuity in your Airtable work, ensuring no data is lost. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.